It's amazing how fast the EV industry is growing, and while such vehicles don't need 1.21 gigawatts of power, they aren't that far away. As we go forward to the future, the Phoenix Contact CHARX Connect AC and DC charging cables are an excellent choice for high-power EV charging stations. Able to withstand a whopping 500,000 watts of charging power, these connectors are able to keep their cool thanks to the use of internal liquid cooling. And the support for CCS Type 1 and CCS Type 2 means that they can be used in many charging markets around the world. Their ergonomic design makes them easy to handle, and the integration of temperature sensors at each DC power contact provides an additional layer of safety. The Phoenix Contact CHARX Connect AC and DC charging cables support various phases, including single and three-phase, and also cover all scope of usage ranging from private to public.